Hi, I'm Doug Lascelles. On behalf of everyone at Sales Fuel, we welcome you to this month's featured Sell Smarter Award, where we honor excellence in media sales. A Bowling Green, Kentucky couple had just opened a gym as a side venture while keeping their full-time jobs and raising 3 children. Television and digital marketing specialist Brandon Miles knew they had stiff competition, especially with another workout franchise offering the same monthly rates. Miles felt WBKO could help them stand out in the crowded health category. The other gyms offer much less in terms of support, guidance, and culture, Miles said. He had recently seen a write-up about gym trends in his AdMall Minute, and it all clicked for him. Miles read that busy consumers are turning to local fitness studios with the right fit for their health focus. I thought it showed the opportunity for them to relate to the people in our market and pull them in, he said. So he took that industry tip to the business owners. AdMall provided the information Miles needed to help understand his client's audience and how to speak to them. The fitness center owners agreed to an annual media plan for $2,400 per month. The spots run Mondays only on TV. Miles also sold them digital display ads with WBKO's audience targeting network, focusing on a 5 to 10 mile radius around the gym's location. They also geo-fenced competing gyms. Miles said they focused on Mondays and Tuesdays for these digital elements. Miles is proud of the ROI his campaign has earned so far. They certainly get the most foot traffic, calls, and online form submissions on Mondays and Tuesdays by far, he says. And it seems every third week or so is extra heavy. Congratulations to Brandon, along with the other quarterly Sell Smarter Award recipients. Chris Carter of Sudden Link Media Altice USA, Dawn Bell of the Daily Messenger, Jessica Douglas and Leanne Galley of Spectrum Reach, Matt Sentner of Comcast Spotlight Pueblo, Rebecca Lambert of KFVS WQWQ-TV, and Tiffany Coates of the McDowell News. To find out how you can qualify for a Sell Smarter Award, click Sell Smarter Awards under Features on MediaSalesToday.com.